Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my new coloring book from Christinekarron. It's called Fairy and Fantasy 3. This is the line art coloring book. It's my second book from this author. I really like her art, but my previous book, it's in grayscale, which I'm not a big fan of. I realized it later, and for me it felt more like a cheating, and honestly saying I colored just only one page and I'm not completely happy about it. That's why I bought this one in line art without any grayscale shades pre-made there, because I really love these beautiful fairies which Christine is creating for us, and I looking forward to color some of them, hopefully all of them, and I hope you will enjoy my short flip through, and looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.